This time we want to find the volume of the solid of revolution that is obtained by x equals 0, that would be y-axis, y equals 1, y equals x to the power of 1/14. And once again, let's remember that this means if y equals x to the power of 1/14, then x equals y to the power of 14th. Okay. So here's a drawing that for us to look at. Notice that the outer radius for this washer is bounded between y equals 0, x equals 0, the y-axis, and here. Okay, so if I look at the radius in here, so the outer radius will always be from here to here. That is going to be 3. And so once this washer stacks up, I'm getting closer and closer to the 1. So we are going to have to subtract this much off. And how much is that? That's, x, which is like y to the power of 14th. So let's go to the next page. What's the outer radius in this time is 3. What's the inner radius is 3 minus however much as we move up, that the x is getting a little bit more and more and more. And what's x? X equals y to the power of 14th. The area of one thin washer is the area of the outer circle, which is pi r squared, minus the area of the inner, using the inner circle, pi times 3 minus y to the 14th squared. And what's the volume? The volume is going to be from 0 to 1, stacking on up, in y direction, is outside circle minus the inner circle, all that dy, stacking them up in the y direction. So let's go to the next page. And so volume equals from 0 to 1, 3 squared is 9. And if we expand the inner radius, 3 minus y to the power of 14th, and simplify, we will get 6y to the 14th minus y to the power of 28 dy. And from this point on, things are fairly simple. Going to the next page, taking the integral of y to the 14th is y to the 15, divided by 15. 6 over 15 simplifies to 2 over 5, minus, when you plug in 1 for y, 1 to any power is 1, divided by 29 is 1 over 29. And finally, the volume of solid of the revolution is 53 pi over 145. So the key to these questions are how careful you are with the drawing. So to do the drawing and then decide on the outer radius and an inner radius, and ask yourself what amount you need to subtract from outer radius to get the inner radius. Well, email me if you have any more questions. Thanks.